In this video lecture, we are going to study Linux operating system. Linux is a free and open source operating system. It is similar to Unix system, which is mainly used in servers and supercomputers. Linux was originally created by Linus Torvalds. Linux is free to download, edit and distribute. Linux is a very powerful operating system. Linux is multi-user, multitasking operating system. Linux run on wide variety of platforms. The Linux kernel is distributed under GNU General Public License GPL. Linux is 32-bit processor operating system. Now, what are the components of Linux operating system? Linux operating system has mainly three components. Number one, kernel. Kernel is the core part of Linux. It is responsible for all major activities of this operating system. It consists of various modules and it interacts directly with the underlying hardware. Kernel provides the required abstraction to hide low-level hardware details to system or application programs. Second component is a system libraries. System libraries are special functions or programs using which application programs or system utilities access kernel features. These libraries implement most of the functionalities of the operating system and do not require kernel modules code access rights. Third component is system utilities. System utility programs are responsible to do specialized individual level tasks. Now, this is the structure. This figure shows the structure of Linux operating system. Next, what are the features of Linux operating system? Now, some of the important features of Linux operating system. Number one, Linux is portable, means software can works on different types of hardware in same way. Second feature is Linux is a multi-user system, means multiple users can access resources like memory, RAM, application programs at same time. Third feature is Linux is a multi-programming system, means multiple applications can run at same time. Number 4, Linux hierarchical file system provides a standard file structure in which system files or user files are arranged. Number 5, Linux shell provides a special interpreter program which can be used to execute commands of the operating system. It can be used to do various types of operation, call application program, etc. Number 6 is Linux security provides user security using authentication features like password protection or controlled access to specific files or encryption of data. Number 7, Linux can run on a wide variety of platforms. Number 8, Linux can run on machine having 4 MB of RAM. Number 9, Linux interface to both programmer and user. Number 10, Linux support wide base of application. And the number 11 is Linux is a free software. Now there are so many features of Linux operating system. Now next is what are the benefits or advantages of Linux operating system? Number 1 is low cost. There is no need to spend time and huge amount of money to obtain license. Second benefit is stability. Linux has high stability compared with other operating systems. There is no need to reboot the Linux system to maintain performance levels. Number third is a performance. Linux provides high performance on various networks. It has the ability to handle large number of users simultaneously. Number 4 is a networking. Linux provides A strong support for network functionality, client and server systems can be easily set up on any computer running Linux. It can perform tasks like network backup faster than other operating systems. Next, fifth is flexibility. Linux is very flexible. Linux can be used for high performance server applications, desktop applications, and embedded systems. Number six is compatibility. It runs all common Unix software packages and can process all common file formats. Number seven, fast and easy installation. Linux distribution come with user-friendly installation. Number 8 is multitasking. Linux is a multitasking operating system. It can handle many things at the same time. Number 9 is security. Linux is one of the most secure operating system. File ownership and permissions make a license more secure. And number 10 is open source. Linux is an open source operating system. It can easily get the source code for Linux and edit it to develop personal operating system. So these are the benefits or advantages of Linux operating system.